Hey everyone! Ever wondered how MrBeast cracked the code to YouTube success? Today we're uncovering his secret formula for growth. From video ideas to thumbnails and titles, we're diving into what makes his content unmissable. Let's go! Let's start with what sets MrBeast apart, his video ideas. From counting to 100,000 on camera to recreating Squid Game in real life, his concepts are bold, outrageous, and often never seen before. The secret? Big ideas that spark curiosity. He asks himself, what's the craziest thing I can do that people would love to watch? Whether it's extreme generosity or over-the-top stunts, he keeps his audience wondering, what will he do next? Think outside the box. Ask yourself, what would I click on immediately? Let's talk about thumbnails. They're the first thing viewers see, and MrBeast has mastered the art of making them irresistible. His strategy? Simplicity and emotion. Each thumbnail tells a story at a glance. You'll see big dollar amounts, shocked expressions, and bold, contrasting colors. They practically scream, "Click me!" Avoid clutter. Make your thumbnails simple, bold, and easy to understand in a split second. Now on to titles. MrBeast's titles are short, direct, and packed with intrigue. Think I gave my 100 millionth subscriber $1 million, or I ate the world's largest slice of pizza. These titles create an instant desire to know more. They're designed for maximum curiosity and excitement. Plus, he keeps them under 50 characters to avoid cutting off on mobile screens. Use numbers, big promises, or phrases that spark curiosity, like world's largest, biggest, or most insane. MrBeast doesn't just grab your attention, he keeps it. His videos are fast-paced, with constant cuts, reactions, and high-energy moments to hold your focus. The secret? No dull moments. Every second is designed to keep viewers hooked, from the opening scene to the big payoff. Plan your videos like a story. Keep the audience engaged with constant surprises and a clear narrative arc. Here's a secret weapon. MrBeast tests everything. He experiments with thumbnails, tries different title styles, and studies what works best. He also listens to feedback. If a video performs well, he asks why. If it doesn't, he learns from it. The lesson? Data and feedback are your best friends. Don't be afraid to tweak your content. Success comes from constant improvement. Lastly, let's talk about heart. MrBeast's generosity is a key part of his brand. From massive giveaways to philanthropic efforts, his videos create an emotional connection with viewers. People love content that makes them feel good. By giving back, MrBeast not only entertains, but inspires millions around the world. Think about how your content can add value to people's lives, whether it's through education, entertainment, or inspiration. So, what are MrBeast's growth secrets? Let's recap. Big, bold ideas that grab attention. Thumbnails that are simple, emotional, and eye-catching. Titles that spark curiosity and intrigue. Fast-paced content that keeps viewers engaged. Experimentation and learning from data. Emotional connection through generosity and value. MrBeast shows us that YouTube success isn't about luck. It's about strategy, creativity, and a whole lot of heart. If you're ready to grow your channel, take these tips and start experimenting today.